Ladies and gentlemen, DeGenius right here with you, and trust me, there is a way that you can really take marketing into an investment portfolio. I'm talking about how you can automate marketing, sales, income as an investment portfolio. By the way, I have nothing to share with you right now in terms of I'm having to sell for you or to you right now. But the point is that I just want to give you round off of everything that happened in my 7 days event that just passed. Okay, if you weren't there, that is okay. But I will leave a link anywhere in between this video that for you to go and get the replay of that event. Okay, if you want the replay, go on and do that. But let's talk about why I'm here with you today. Now here's the deal. There is a way you can really automate your marketing, your sales, and turn it into an investment portfolio. Turn it into an investment, a steady, constant income flow kind of investment. So think about it. It is, first of all, easy to get started. That's the main important thing here. You have 50K, you have 100K, you have 10K, you have 5K. For goodness sake, it's for everybody. You can just turn a YouTube advert. Guess what? People begin to see your advert and they want to do business with you. You can just turn on a Google ads, a YouTube ads, a Facebook advertisement. For goodness sake, at the end of the day, people come to your environment to buy something from you. And then, let's assume that you spent 20,000 naira and you had just 2 sales. Just 2. And those 2 sales made you at about maybe like 25 to 30,000 naira profit margin back. Okay, now you do it again. You do it again, 20,000 naira in the second month, and then you make the same amount of money. What are you thinking? You now begin to think that yes, each time you spend 20,000 naira, you actually make 30,000 naira profit. Plus your 20K coming back. That's a total of 50K, right? Right? Now, you do this over and over and over again, and you increase budget. There is one thing I always tell people: never scale by increasing budget. It's the worst way to sell. And if you want to understand what that means, go to the link anywhere if you can see it, or just go within this video and get a replay of my 7 days intense sales training event. I'm right here and I'm waiting for you. If you want to do that, you go right there and get a recorded version of the intense 7 days intense sales training event. So there is a way that you can do it. So first thing is to have a product that you want to sell. There has to be a product you want to sell, a service you want to sell, right? That's the number one thing. Okay, so if you don't even have that, you don't have the money for capital for buying a product, why not drop ship the product? Even if you want to really sell courses or stuff like that, why not start affiliate marketing, right? And have somebody else's product and sell it. See, I'm not really interested in creating something from scratch before you make money. I'm not interested in that. Go and produce some kind of product before you make money. No, now, who does that in the 21st century? You must not be an investor or inventor before you be an investor. Get it? You must not be an inventor before you be an investor. Trust me, it is pretty simple and easy. You have to first of all get started to doing it, right? So that's the first thing, products. So you can sell your own personal product if you have one, or you sell people's product. And with dropouts or dropshipping environment, you're able to sell hundreds of thousands of products without buying them upfront. Even if you are selling within Nigeria, with dropouts, you can do cash on delivery, and you still make the same amount of money you want to make in business, right? Number 2 is to now start the investment portfolio of marketing. See, I will tell you for real, each time Jumia, Gigi, each time they advertise, they see it as an investment. That is why people can pour in millions and millions of dollars and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in these people's business. Why? Because there is a process, a constant income milking process. Investment. That's what every other person calls it. But guess what? As a business person, you know the process. And I can easily jump into somebody's business and give the person 1 million. Why? Because I know the process of how he gets the customers and how he automates his process of income in the business. Right? So that's the second thing. And you don't need too much money to start before you begin to say, I see people do this kind of mistake all the time. DeGenius, I don't know how much it will cost me to run adverts. I don't know how much it will cost me to run adverts. For goodness sake, it can cost you as little as what you have right now. 1K, 500 naira daily ad spend. Oh, come on. 500 naira daily ad spend in 1 month. It's enough for you. That's 15K at most, right? It's enough for you to get your first steady income in the business. I want you to do this. Do it for a long term, cheaply first. Don't go and pour in 15K in 2 days. Don't make that mistake, right? Cheaply first, 500 naira, do it in 15 days. Do the mathematics, find out what really happened in between the lines of the advertisement, right? Then with that, you scale your advert gradually. And I have 3 means or 3 ways of scaling. One of them is the worst way of scaling, and that is increasing your ad budget. You know, you now make 2 sales. That is about, you spend 500 naira for 1 week, and then you make 2 sales that made you about 15K or 20K, and then you now go on and you multiplied your advert ad spend to 15, to 10, to 2, to 3, because it made you extra, right, in a week. No, that is the worst way of scaling. And there is 2 ways you can scale your business like this, and you are going to multiply income automatically in the smallest and fastest way you have ever seen. I have a 7 days event. It's not a thing of 1 day. So I had a 7 days event with people, all right, and I had a recorded version of it. If you want the recorded version, look at the link anywhere in the line. Thank you for watching DeGenius right here, and this is how you can take actually advertisement as an investment portfolio. Advert as an investment portfolio, 100% making money for yourself without breaking